Hello everyone, so join me as I show you how I make my fried rice. Okay, let's go. So this is my chicken and turkey. Went in with my fresh thyme, onion, curry, and mixed herbs, garlic, then seasoning, pepper. I love fresh pepper, yeah. Salt to taste, then went in my water. I'll be needing this water for the rice later, okay? Just trust the process. So cover it up to cook for a while, then that's the result. So I sieved the water, then going in with my rice, then seasoning and curry, then mixed well, then allow it to cook for a while. That's it. Not too strong, not too soft. So went to my vegetable, my prawns, allow it to fry well, then boiled liver, allow it to fry well also, my onion and my frozen veggies, stir well. Okay, so seasoning again, mixed herbs, then garlic again. I love garlic in food, yeah. Then trying to mix everything. That's it, mixing everything. So my bell peppers, mix well, and salt for taste. Okay, then I'm taking out some for mixing later, okay? Then going in with my rice. That's it. Just adding the rice. Then the veggies I took out earlier to give it a good mix. Make sure you mix everything properly so that the taste can come out well. So that's it. Fried rice is ready. Thank you so much for watching.